This compact prototype integrates an ESP32 microcontroller, an RFID reader, an LCD display, a single multifunction push button, and RFID card. This RFID card will be used as our student's card. As you can see, the system is designed to be compact and portable. Users can start the system by using 3 different power sources, which are rechargeable batteries, a power bank, or 12-volt plug adapter. In cases of overload power sources, a switch which is installed on the battery casing will ensure that the system will receive power only from one source. So this makes the system safe, portable, and efficient. To start the system, simply open the switch and the display on LCD will appear. We make the display of the system blinking to show the IP address that you will need to enter into your browser to connect to a Wi-Fi. And now this is connected. Simply type the displayed blinking IP address on your browser, enter the Wi-Fi network, enter your password, and click on the static IP, and you can connect to the system instantly. This makes the system portable and efficient as it can connect to any Wi-Fi anywhere. A single multifunction button allows teacher to register new students or record attendance just by tapping the student's card onto the RFID reader. To access the spreadsheet, simply go to Google Apps on your laptop or mobile phone, go to Google Sheets, and open the spreadsheet Sistem Kehadiran Pelajar. On the Google spreadsheet, there are 3 different sheets which are jadual guru, pelajar, and kehadiran. On the jadual guru sheet, teacher will have to enter their own timetable first before registering the students or scanning for students' attendance. To register new students, go to sheet pelajar, and there will be 3 different columns. The first column is the ID RFID, which will be displayed after the student card is scanned. Second column is nama pelajar and nama kelas. Before scanning, please make sure the display shows daftar. Once the card is scanned, LCD will display daftar to guests, and after it displayed berjaya, their ID will appear on the Google Sheet. Now you can add your student's name and their class. Before scanning, please make sure that the display shows scan. Once the card is scanned, LCD will display scan to GAS, and this is the student's ID. And once the display shows berjaya, their ID will appear on the Google Sheet. Students can scan their student's card once at the start of the class. This is an example of students' attendance on Friday. Each column is automatically filled according to teacher's timetable and students' data. The hour column refers to different hours of the lesson, which will be ticked automatically according to the work time. That way, attendance taking will be more transparent and the teachers will no longer have to check for students' attendance every hour during the lesson. Our team have developed a free lightweight web application where teachers can view students' record, clear or add hours of attendance for each student, and manage real-time data using their laptop or mobile phones. To run the application, teachers need to key in the IP address connected earlier, and the link to the spreadsheet will be automatically filled. As you can see, the IP address here should be the same as the IP address displayed on the hardware system. Once you have confirmed both of them is the same, you just need to click Simpan Tetapan. And as you can see here, the log says Tetapan disimpan. This application allows teacher to switch between mode scan, mode daftar, and reset Wi-Fi without having to push the button on the hardware system. As you can see from the display, this is just like the display earlier, and you need to set up the Wi-Fi again. To make things easier, we can click the button Buka Halaman Setup and it will automatically go to the IP address without us having to type it manually. If the teacher wants to fetch the latest data from the spreadsheet, click on Record Terkini and the application will display the latest record of students' attendance. As you can see, this is the record of the latest attendance and it will be the same with the application. From here, teachers can also clear or add hours of attendance for each student. Simply add the date, copy the student ID, and click on Pilih Jam and choose the hours that you want to edit and click on Padam Jam. And as you can see, the students on jam 11, the tick has been deleted, which is the same as from the application. The attendance record can be directly exported from Google Sheet into PDF forms. This can be used for weekly or monthly documentations. This innovation does not only reduces 90% of attendance management time, but it also eliminates paper logs and it supports smart classroom transformation.